Pre-workouts. They're excellent to get your workout going. That's why it's called a pre-workout. That means you should take it prior to your workout. The additional bits of caffeine and caffeine derivatives help to keep you mentally focused and aggressive towards that weight training session. Who should take it? Anyone who's safe to tolerate caffeine. If you have high blood pressure, you're not someone safe to take pre-workout. If you're someone under the age of 16, you're probably also not the best candidate to take in additional amounts of caffeine. Other than that, have at it. I suggest you all make sure you choose a pre-workout though that comes with just what you want, which means look towards the proprietary blend. If that proprietary blend has too much there that you can't account for, you might want to avoid that pre-workout. Other than that, choose your favorite flavor and go for it.